What is up, you guys? It's Bianca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the tips and tricks I have for putting on false lashes in a way that's super easy, super quick, and just looks super duper natural. We're gonna do a bit of a fox eye or a cat eye look where the lashes are longer on the outside. It's super flattering, really cute, and really trendy, and I'm really excited, so let's go! Alright, first things first, you have to pick the right lashes. Go for tapered ones that are shorter at the ends and get longer towards the center. You want to make sure that the short part of the lashes actually coincide with the length of your natural lashes. That way it'll blend really nicely. You'll also want to get doll lashes. So doll lashes have strands of different lengths, just like our lashes do naturally. Lastly, you want to get a clear band. It'll just be a lot more seamless that way. Now you'll want to cut your lashes in half, just like this. For the glue, you can use any brand. I use Duo, but make sure to get the clear ones. You'll want to squeeze it out in a line like this instead of putting it on the lash directly. Then you're gonna take a pair of tweezers and pull a half lash and take the top of the half lash and put it against the glue like this. The objective of this is to get the glue on the top of the band of the lashes instead of having it at the bottom. That's because we're gonna put it underneath. If you get any on the bottom, don't worry, just clean it up with your finger and it'll be fine. And now we just wait. If you put it on too early, you're gonna have to hold it in there for it to stick. And if your hands are wobbly like mine, it's just not going to work out. You're gonna wanna wait until it's tacky. So what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of glue, and if it rolls, like you'll be able to feel that it's tacky, then we're good to go. Okay, this is gonna be a bit awkward because I'm just gonna be right in there. So shorter lashes on the inside, longer lashes on the outside. We're gonna put it on the outer corner for a bit of a cat eye, and we're going to be putting it underneath, not over the lashes, because we want that lid space. Especially if you have Asian eyes, you're gonna want all the lid space you can get, and it's just gonna look so much more natural when you put it underneath. We're not gonna put it on the waterline. We're gonna put it right at the base of the lashes. So I'm so sorry for the focus of the camera, but we're gonna put it right at the base of the lashes on the lash hair itself. If you put it on the waterline, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be itchy and you might get glue inside your eyes, which isn't cool ever. So that's a bit dangerous. So you have to make sure to put it on the lashes itself. So we're just gonna pull this up a little bit and we're gonna pop it in there. Lift the base and we're just gonna pop it in there. Really easy, and I'd like to So because you don't have any glue at the bottom of the lashes, every time you blink it just helps it adhere to the top lashes more. So you're just gonna wanna let that dry, but that's it. You're basically done, and that's it. There's really nothing more to say, just let it dry and then you go. Here's how the cat eye looks. You can see when you look close up that these outside lashes are thicker and you can see the band a bit, but then when you zoom out, you can really barely see it. They look super natural and I love them so much. And that is it, you're done. Super quick, super easy, super natural looking lashes that with a bit of practice, I promise you, you'll be able to do every day, and it's gonna make you feel so pretty and it's gonna be so nice and it's just so exciting. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up, and I hope you do subscribe because I am new here and I'd like to do a lot more tutorials in the future. If you have any tutorial requests, just comment them down below and I promise I'll get to it. I will get to it. Well, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!